Common Effluent Treatment Plant CETP presented by Group 4.
What is CETP? CETP is a treatment system that are specifically designed to treat wastewater generated by small-scale industrial entities in a cluster. CETP has been accepted as a solution for collecting, conveying, treating, and disposing of the effluents from the industrial estates. CETP recognizes the need of reusing wastewater for agricultural and industrial use in order to become water self-sufficient and satisfy increasing processed water requirements. So for our problem statement, the first one is the effluents from industrial estates and agricultural and domestic sewage is disposed into a stream. Okay, pollution caused by improper industrial wastewater management is a major environmental issue. Next is water usage in accordance to rapid industrialization is increasing. This will cause clean water shortage in future. And the last one is individual treatment plants are not feasible for medium and small scale industrial units due to financial, land, and human constraint. Okay, this could lead to failure in pollution control measures.
Feature review. First is ETP performance. The Ministry of Environment and Forests are first proposed the concept of a common effluent treatment plant for the treatment of wastewater from a large number of small and medium-scale companies. Accordingly, a cluster of small-scale industrial units, through their collective effort, install and operate a CETP for the treatment of the effluents they generate. This concept is similar to the concept of municipal sewage treatment plant for the treatment of sewage from all the individual houses of a municipality. Second, for status of CETP in India. This is common environmental infrastructure state that some treatment aspects of wastewater from midstream are studied. This made it easier to improve environmental management in several industrial sectors. Next, Wakati was evaluated performance of an existing common effluent treatment plant serving a cluster of small-scale territories and suggest measure and modification for improving the performance. The participating territories share operation and maintenance expense of the common effluent treatment plant. The influence of hydraulic shock and total dissolved solid on the performance of three large-scale common effluent treatment plant treating textile effluents. And the last, he emphasizes the need and importance of coordination among the pollution industries, the local administration, the regulatory agencies, and the public.
Methodology. CETP wastewater treatment stages. Here we have preliminary treatment, primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary treatment. Alright, first one, preliminary treatment. Removing coarse particles and other big items from raw wastewater. Screen and grates are used to remove big materials. Communicators are used to grind the coarse solid. Prior for the aeration is performed for odor control, and also the pH of water is sometimes adjusted, and all end grease were removed. The adoption of preparatory treatment of all preliminary treatment boosts CETP's performance. Next, we'll go to the primary treatments. And the purpose is to remove organic and inorganic solid that settle through sedimentation as well as photo material such as scum by skimming. During basic treatment, about 50 to 70% of the total solid and 65% of the oil and grease are removed. So the primary sedimentation unit is producing primary effluent, and the chemical treatment is usually by using lime and alum, followed by flocculation, and throughout the process, chemical sludge is produced. Next, for the secondary treatment, is the biological process of the use of microbes to decompose suspended and dissolve organic materials in wastewater. First, for CETP, we have activated sludge process, which is the aerobic biological treatment procedure that incorporates the suspended development of aerobic microorganisms to biograde organic pollutants in continuous flow. Next, for the secondary treatment, we have a biological treatment procedure, which is it is rely on microbial action to break down suspended and dissolved organic waste, and organic substances are used by microbes as a source of carbon and energy. Next, we'll go to the last one, tertiary treatment. We have also two. For CETP, it helps to remove any contaminants that secondary treatment failed to remove, improve the quality of wastewater before it is reused, recycled, or discharged into the environment. First one is granular media filtration. Physical filtering is used to remove suspended particles. The common type of filtration is the sand filters. Second is dual filtration or multimedia filtration. And the second one is the sludge dewatering system, which is the primary sludge. Some collects sludge, but the sludge is to a sludge thickener, then transferred to a sludge drying bed to remove the water. And in the decanted collection tank, thickener collected from the sludge dewatering system. The cutter is then emptied into a wastewater collection tank, where it will be treated further. Dried sludge is collected, packed, and also delivered to the transport, storage, and disposal facility for secure landfilling.
About the results and discussion of this case study. First of all, as you can see in the table, it shows the comparison of parameters between the inlet and outlet of the wastewater. As you can see that the CETP is effectively treating the wastewater as the desired treated wastewater parameters were achieved. As you can see, the pH level has decreased, the chemical oxygen demand and biochemical oxygen demand has decreased as well, meaning that the microorganisms are being removed. Other than that, oil and grease, total suspended solid, and total dissolved solid are also being removed from the wastewater. Therefore, it shows that the treatment plant has proven its functionality and effectivity in treating wastewater. However, chloride reduction is not achieved anywhere in this treatment performed by CETP.
For the overall conclusion, the main environmental concern is always related to high level of water contamination caused by improper waste management, inadequate sewerage and drainage, and poor management in industrial effluent disposal. In this case study, we have chosen the common effluent treatment plant CETP because of its durability in its own way. For instance, efficient reduction in parameters where it is indicated in the study, reduction of chemical oxygen demand, COD, and biochemical oxygen demand, BOD, can be achieved through this treatment. However, no matter how great a treatment plant is, keep in mind that it is not always possible for the CETP to work in a good condition. It is well-known fact that for any treatment plant, its efficiency depends on the optimum design and functioning, as well as the compliance by the member of facility. Hence, it is recommended by Ashwini, where he stated that a few actions are needed to be taken so that the chances of the treatment plant failing can be decreased or reduced. And that is all from us, Group 4, presenting the case study of Common Effluent Treatment Plant, CETP. Thank you.